Good morning, students. Today I will teach you about the Constitution. First of all, I want to say you that all societies are bound by rules. These rules help to bring about order in human lives. So, a constitution is a set of rules, laws and principles according to which a country is governed. The rules and laws are specially created to suit the needs of the people of that country. The constitution also deals with composition of the government with a detailed explanation of its different organs. 3 organs are there. You see the legislature, the executive and the judiciary. These 3 organs later we will read. Today I will tell you about the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. The document lays down the framework democratic fundamental political code structure, procedures, powers and duties of government institutions and sets out fundamental rights, directive principles and the duties of citizens. The Indian Constitution is a comprehensive document containing 395 articles and 11 schedules. It is probably the lengthiest constitution in the world. Now we can say that what is the need for laws? If there is no law, then what will happen? Actually, you know that every game has its own set of rules. If there is no rule, then there would be a chaos and may be even violence. So, laws protect our general safety and ensure our rights as citizens against abuses by other people. The organizations and by the government itself. We have laws to help provide our general safety. These exist at the local, state and national levels and include things like laws about food safety, etc. Our constitution established the rules of law in India. That is, violating of these rules was made punishable and no one was above the law. Laws were framed specially to uproot social evils and free those who had been traditionally ill-treated and dishonored. So thank you. Next day, rest.